What's up, coffee explorers? So in this video I had a request to make a video about how to make toddy, which is a type of a cold brew. Not only am I going to do that, I'm going to make a toddy cold brew mocktail. Check it out. Alright, so as you can see, I've got a bag of coffee, I've got a cheesecloth bag here, I've got a quart jar, and I've got a kettle with some cold water in it. So what we got to do is we got to end up putting the coffee in the cheesecloth, and then put the cheesecloth in the bag, and then put the water through the coffee, of course. So that's what we're doing here. So let's go ahead and let's start out with this cheesecloth here, and we're just gonna go ahead and we're going to put that right over the oh man, this is not working the way I wanted it to. So come on, man. Alright, we got that there. So now we can just go ahead and take that lid and put that there. Alright, so this coffee that I got here, it is from a coffee shop here in Centralia. It's also a roastery. It's called Santa Lucia Coffee. They're probably, in my opinion, the absolute best coffee shop here in Centralia, Washington, where I live. And I just went over there. This is a really nice Sumatra Arabica. I bought it. It was I think $14 or $16 for 12 ounces. I had them grind it to a medium coarse grind because I was going to use it to do this. So let's go ahead and open it up, and oh man, that's some good smelling coffee. Alright, so let's go ahead and let's pour this coffee in here. Do that. Woo, that wasn't planned. I sometimes do stupid things. So we're gonna go ahead and we're just gonna pack this coffee down because we want to get as much of it in here as we can. And this should be the last pour here, maybe. And apparently the object of this whole thing is to get as much of the coffee on the table as you can, as opposed to actually in the cheesecloth. So that's important. Alright, so we've got our coffee in the bag here. Now, we might as well just go ahead and leave that there for now. Now what we're going to want to do, just like doing a pour over, we want to go ahead and wet the coffee grounds and give it a chance. All of the coffee grounds inside that bag get wet and have its bloom. Alright, so we've gotten a good bloom. We still have some dry cheesecloth on this side, so let's go ahead and pour it over on this side. Hopefully we can get that set up. Alright, so let's just keep on pouring. And the object is we want to pour until we get to a full jar of coffee here. which takes a little while. So here's a song by Dogbite Harris, the guy that recommended that I make this video.
It's all made in the shade, oh, so they say so-and-so I'll have my day. It's been raining and pouring and fucking storming for so long. It's time for a change. Yeah, it's time for a change. Saw the sun rising New Mexico. It damn near stopped my heart. Watching white lines falling far behind keeps me from falling apart. Keeps me from falling apart. Yeah, got some towns in my head. I'm feeling like the highway kind. Yeah, that old song that's running through my head keeps me from losing my mind.
So what we're making right now is
Keeps me from losing my mind.
Cold Brew Toddy.
Keep me from losing.
Cold Brew Toddy concentrate. So basically this quart jar of coffee is gonna like turn into like a gallon worth of coffee once we're absolutely through with it. But it takes about 24 hours. And it's got to sit in the fridge after we get going here.
Well, I walked too many miles in the wrong direction. Yeah, I took a good look in the mirror today. Didn't recognize my reflection. Now I'm gone. Gone, gone, gone. Yeah, I'm gone. Gone, gone, gone. Well, when I was young, me and my buddy, we had ourselves a pack. We got stuck in this town, gonna ride the rails till the trains ran out of track. Well, the years went by and things just didn't work out as planned. Guess that's just not how the gods have dealt out our hands, but now we're gone. Gone, gone, gone. Yeah, we're gone. Gone, gone, gone. And I got one foot in the grave and the other's on hollow ground. Once it caves way, man, I'm gonna tell you what I found. This next breath could be my last, so I take it in and think about my past. Yeah, this life's just one big tragedy. This life's just one big tragedy. Now it's curtain call. Now it's curtain call. Yeah, I had a good buddy who lived his life as jagged as the blade of a knife, till he got fucked up and ended it all one Christmas night. And now he's gone. Gone, gone, gone. Yeah, he's gone. Gone, gone, gone. When we were young, he said he wouldn't live to see 25. Well, he made it just past his 21st, so I'll be damned he was right. Well, that old boy knew how to have a damn good time. We were just 15 years old.
Alright, so now we're nice and full here.
Well, the years went by, saw him less and less, and then he showed up on my step on crystal meth, and that's the last time I saw my friend. That's the last time I saw my friend. And I got one foot in the grave and the other's on hollow ground. Once it caves away, man, gonna tell you what I found. This next breath could be my last, so I take it in and think about my past. Yeah, this life's just one big tragedy.
Spills out and push them.
This life's just one big tragedy.
So, here we go. We got our jar of coffee there. It needs to go ahead and get thrown into the refrigerator. Oh man, this fridge is a mess. Well, 24 hours from now we'll have some cold brew toddy concentrate. Then we'll be able to, boom, we're right here, and we could finally make this cold brew toddy mocktail. So right now we've got, as I reviewed in a past video before I even went to Vietnam, this is the Welly cup. I've got this full of some cold brew right now. Let's go ahead and pour a little bit of this cold brew into this cup with some ice in it. Oh yeah, so that's probably just the perfect amount of coffee there. We got these little key limes here, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this in half and then squeeze. Even letting all the seeds and stuff go up in there, it's okay. Nice and squeeze. Oh yeah, good stuff. This is gonna be a nice drink. And then let's go ahead and cut this one. Easy to play with later. Alright, now I've got some limeade I'm gonna pour in here. And then I've got some sparkling raspberry rose water here. So this should be, ooh, that smells nice and pretty good actually. So I'll go ahead and I'll just fill this the rest of the way. And then do one of those. And that's our drink here. Give it a little bit of a stir. Make sure everything's all nice and mixed together. Oh yeah, that is phenomenal. I didn't know what was going to happen with this raspberry rose water, but I knew from when I was over in Vietnam I had a couple of kumquat mocktails with coffee in it, and they were absolutely fantastic. So I wanted to recreate that as best as I could here. I didn't get exactly what I was looking for, but this drink is awesome. Check it out. I highly suggest going ahead and getting the ingredients and making one for yourself. This is some good stuff. Alright, well, if this video has been any value to you, or if you just enjoyed watching the video or whatnot, please, by all means, subscribe to my channel, like the video. If you didn't like the video, hit that thumbs down button. It all helps me out. I really appreciate it. Share it with your friends. And as always, sip exquisitely. If you found any value or entertainment in this video, I would definitely appreciate it if you were to give the video a like and maybe even subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends. It would definitely help me with the algorithm. That would be awesome. Thanks.